In the previous video, we spent a couple of days in the Florida Keys. As for this one, we will be exploring Everglades National Park for a couple of days, so stay tuned.
In 600 feet, turn right onto Southwest 344th Street, East Palm Drive.
Is it too much to ask? I want a cool boy. Liz rocks hard ass.
It's sizzling in his mouth.
I'll say it once, I'll say it again.
That's the American standard.
Oil, that's very
Dangerous?
yeah.
Oh, that one was quite fine. Are you vlogging right now? You're supposed to say record.
Action.
10 out of 10 day, and we barely even started. Mom, how's your 10 out of 10 day?
Not yet. Where's this? Give me another plate.
Remember the time where you
Dad looks like a girl.
You want the bacon?
Best breakfast sandwich.
We went to stop by the Flamingo Visitor Center. The regular building was closed for renovations, but they did have a little mobile station set up. We used our own kayaks, but there is a place to rent from in the marina if needed. However, if you go with this option, definitely get there early as they rent out very quickly. Yeah.
The alcohol here tastes like fruit roll-ups, and the marshmallows taste like cotton candy.
It's not doing anything.
I think you have a herniated disc.
I'm camping. After leaving the Everglades, we decided to stop by Biscayne National Park since it was only 30 minutes in the opposite direction. The water was way too choppy to do any aquatic activities, which was unfortunate as 95% of this park is underwater. I will definitely have to return one day to get the full experience. On the way back home, we stayed the night in Daytona Beach. Was it cold?